Hi friends, this is Vishal here, and today we will see how to make an helping hand with the soldering iron. So basically this is called as a soldering station with helping hand. It's fully loaded. There are a lot of features into this particular helping hand with soldering station, which I am going to explain you. Completely built at all the things that are available at home or maybe available into all the nearby hardware or electrical shops which are there, but it's really cool. And if you go to the market and buy these kind of a fully loaded soldering station with helping hands, it will cost you approximately 1500 to 2000 rupees in India. So let's see what do you need. Yes, there is always a fun when you create certain things by your own, and that's the reason I just thought that I will share with you all of what I have done for building this particular helping hand. So what you see here is basically a wood sheet. This is nothing but same kind of a wood like this. It is there. Any wood you can take it from the market, or if you have the plywood pieces available at your home, you can actually join this like this. So what I have done is I had some 1 2 3 4 5 6 pieces which were just lying in my loft. So I just took those particular wood which are there, and then I have stick those particular wood blocks with the help of Fevicol, or you can get this particular shape cutted in any of the carpenter shop which is there. So this is the board that you typically need. The second thing what I've done is basically to make this border. This is very important to put a border like this, because when you are doing certain things and you like this, you have a small components, then it will fall down and then it will go down. So it is better to have this kind of a border available. So to make this particular border, what I have done is I have taken a electrical casing pipe, and this is like very cheap, available in electrical market. You can buy as per your convenient what height or the what width you want. So this is what I have done it. I have cut it with the help of any tool, the cutter, and I have stick that particular thing with the help of screws into this particular wood. So it makes the full-fledged the top which is there. Now obviously you need a soldering iron to heat up. Again, if all the things are available right into the fully loaded soldering station, then it is always good to have a small a board which is there. This you can get it in any electrical shop for approximately 80 to 85 rupees. The inbuilt board, you get 2 wires, and all your wirings which you see for this particular board is basically within this casing. So it is basically performing 2 tasks for me. One is that I can do the entire wiring which is not visible, and you can also act as a border for your entire soldering station. So what you typically need, so this is a board, this is the electric board which is there. And what I have also done is that, see, this is very important. If you see this, if you see this, what is this? This is a normal hanger. So if you have any steel hanger at your home, you can just take that particular hanger, cut that particular pipe according to your requirement, and then to make it beautiful, you can take this again flexible electrical pipe from any electric shop. Again, these are all luxury. The electric fitting which are there, you can avoid it if you want, but just to look cool, I have done it. This is a soldering station with 4 helping hands. You can always make it 2 if you think it is too big for you, but it is always to have 4, because if you have a circuit like this, you can always have from the 4 sides, you can keep it here, and then, or you can keep it like this and do whatever soldering you want to do, and your both hands will be free. So this is what it is. These are the gorilla clips, or you can say the crocodile clips that you get again in any electrical shop. It will not cost you more than 5 or 10 rupees per pin which is there. The another part is, what I have done is that you can use a normal LED which you get it in electronic shop, but what I have done, I have used an electric LED strip which is there. This is, again, it was available at my home because I bought it for the Deepavali festival. So I have just reused that particular strip which is there, and I have stuck this particular strip inside completely into this. And again, to power up this particular LED, you need an LED driver. Again, this LED driver is basically available in any electrical shop. You can ask for a 12 volt LED driver, and you will get that particular LED driver. So to light up, obviously there are two LEDs. One is this strip which I have done, and another one is this. So this is a lamp which I had already available at my home, and you can, if you don't have this available, you can again use this same pipe which is there and make some connections on the top and put your LED strip with the help of two clips or any other cardboard sheet which can be here. So what I've done is, since this was already available, I have basically reused that particular piece. What I did is, I have actually went and replaced the normal LED strip which was there with this particular LED strip which can be powered by that particular LED driver. So this strip as well as this strip is again powered by the same LED driver which is there. You can connect them in parallel to use this particular piece. What I've also done is that if you are ordering a lot of I can say the liquid shampoo for your detergent liquid for your washing machine. This is a cap of the detergent washing machine. We usually order the Wipro one, so this is what it is. And I've put the push switch, one here and one on the back side, to basically light up these two LEDs which are there. So I'll just show you, and this is very important because if you have to do any electronic work and see inside the circuit, it's very important that there's a proper lighting available. That is the reason I have made this lighting. So you always don't need both the lightings which are there. So what you do is, there is a power already available from this LED driver. To the LED driver there is a AC input which comes from this particular board, and the wires are coming from here till here, and then it is plugged in here. Then what you do, if I just click here, see, this is how this particular bright LED, you can use it. Since I had a yellow LED available, I use warm white, or you can call it as a yellow, but it is always good to use a white bright LEDs, which are LED strip which is available in, again, electric shop. This was already available at my home, so I used it. So you can basically, this is full flexible. You can use it till here, you can use it here, and then you can properly work with any circuit which is there. Also, if I want to light up the below one, you can just push this particular piece. This is very important because sometimes you are not only working with circuit, but you are working on some board or some electronic circuits which are there, which you have to just keep it here and you have to do some work. Then there is a lighting required. That is the reason this lighting I have put in. This is again a LED shock proof. See, I am touching it here, so there is absolutely no problem of the shock. Again, it is only 12 volt DC that gets supplied to this particular LED strip. So this is what I've built it. And if I want to do my work, what I do, it is a soldering iron, and always you can use a multi-pin here to connect some more devices if you want to connect it. And what I do is, basically I can use this particular, and this is just a testing, but I can always use this for my soldering iron, and I don't, my one hand is already free. And how it is useful, let's say I want to remove the entire soldering from this particular zero board which is there. Then obviously, if you don't have this help